Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today I'm changing out this the four-wheel drive locking hub with I got a used worn 4x4 locking hub off 2002 Super Duty. So with the dualies, you got to take the dually adapters off to even get to the spacer or the retaining ring, and you got to take your wheel off since obvious you got to take the dually adapter off. So I've already put new hubs on this truck, new inner outer tie rods, tie rods. I do want to do sway bar links eventually. I did a new brake caliper, a new brake rotor on this earlier this year. I do want to do shocks eventually, but sway bar links is going to be the next thing. And but yeah, so did that. Now I just have to grab a pair of pliers and jiggle this thing back and forth. Let me get this off. Alright guys, so if your guys' four-wheel drive locking hub doesn't come off easily, well, I found best spray some penetrating lube around it. Mine already came off since I had taken it apart already the other day. So I'm gonna keep these as spares just in case, but they're not as good. So if I ever need them, I'll have them. I got the other one. I've already done the right side, but so yeah, spray penetrating oil in it, hit it with a hammer, tap it back, forth, and you're gonna have to just wiggle it back and forth with a big pair of pliers. So then I got everything from the junkyard, which was a good deal. I only paid like God, what did I pay, like 25 bucks for these hubs. So this goes in first. You might have a little problem trying to get this in at the first time. Oh, like that. Push it in all the way. Then you're gonna have this. This is gonna go in. This is gonna be like acts as when you go to select your four-wheel drive. But what you can do first, before you even put this in, is put the split ring. Let me find it real quick. Right here. I gotta clean mine off but you want to start off at one spot, since it's like a coil basically. You put the one piece in first, and you get it in there. Alright guys, so I'm just putting in the last bolt. So like I said, I got these from the junkyard. They do work. I tested them before I even got them. Well, / bought them. So 6 bolts. I am missing one on the other side, since when I went to the junkyard, one was already missing. But look, free spins. They work good. That's all to it. These are worth the money. If you have to buy them new, yeah, they might be pretty expensive. They're about 300 bucks, give or take, depending on where you buy them, but 200 to 300. But I would say definitely if you need four-wheel drive, especially in the wintertime or wherever you live at, it's definitely worth the money to spend, instead of having these automatic locking hubs from these old Ford trucks that, like these old ones, I can barely even turn. I had to use last year I had to use a pair of my pliers just to get it to turn. And these are so much nicer. And Warren's a good brand. Definitely buy them again. But I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.